Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka. Kuvenpu, Dhanabendre, Shivamagaram, Masi Venkatesha Iyengar, V.K. Gopal, Vyanandra Murthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kantar.
Classical dance forms of India.
Classical dance forms of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Satriya, Assam, Flaki dance, Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya, Gujarat, Yಕ್ಷಗಾನ, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamnapadni, Varaga, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National Festival, January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda Veda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Upanishad, Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mundukya Upanishad, Aitanya Upanishad, Chaitanya Upanishad, Upanishad, Bhuttadara Upanishad,
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasasahasra Vishnu, Matsya, Goma, Valava, Narasimha, Vamana, Ashwama, Kama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean.
Presidents of India.
Presidents of India: Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri, V.V. Jatti,
Neela.
Arjuna Reddy, Shankaraya Sharma, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, K.R. Narayan, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Rahul Gandhi, Ramnath Kovind, Jalan Singh, Draupadi Murmu.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Amravati, Andhra Pradesh, Italy, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Rajput, Goa, Panjab, Gujarat, Haryana, Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bhutan, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mysore, Hyderabad, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gadam, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agadala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Bengaluru, East Bengal, Kolkata.
Districts in Karnataka.
This is in Karnataka, Bagalkot, Ballari, Veerat, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Hyderabad, Belgavi, Shankaragala, Chikkagalpura, Chikkagalurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Hagan, Kadam, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Malagu, Kola, Kuppala, Manya, Maju,
Ramnagar.
Ramanathan, Rachur, Shimoga, Turamgur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijayawada, like in the name.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival, Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Kasara, Ipavati, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Uttaran, Good Friday.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of God. Taj Mahal, Restoration, Teatro Jola, Red China, Machu Picchu, Chichen Itza.
Wonders of India.
Wonders of India. Hawaii Dashboard, Arunachal Pradesh, Suketa, Delhi, Idurani Chanama, Kerala Chanama, Onake Onava, Vijayalakshmi, Sarojini Naidu, Sasidari Lakshmibai.
7 colors in rainbow.
Chalani Colors Rainbow, Violet, Indigo, Blue, Green, Yellow, Orange, Red.
Official languages of India.
Australia, Kannada, India, Assami, Bengali, Godo, Doge, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Mankini, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Names of Rutus.
Names of photos: Vasant Ritu, Grishma Ritu, Varsha Ritu, Sharat Ritu, Hemant Ritu, Shishir Ritu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar month: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyesha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwina, Kartika, Margasira, Pusha, Magha, Falguna.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nanda, Abdul Basit, Indira Gandhi, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Anand, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimhan, Vivek Kola, Bhutan, Pranavati, Narendra Modi.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka,
Pulikeshi.
Pulkeshi, Vishwadevara, Vishwavardhana, Vayodavarta, Varadayanayaga, Viturani Chanama, Akka, Bukka, Jayachandra.
popular international airports in India?
Most popular international airports in India. Indira Gandhi Airport, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai, Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
Borders of India.
Borders of India, North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bengal, West Salton Sea.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India, rights of equality, rights of freedom, rights against exploitation, rights to female self-reliance, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitution remedies.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: health, nose, ear, tongue, skin.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasty, Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Hoysala dynasty, Maurya dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Gupta dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Palasa dynasty, Vardhan dynasty.
9 union territories.
9 union territories: New Delhi, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Cuttack, Jammu and Kashmir.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivasa Rajendran, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagadish Chandra Bose, Mekhala Sala, M. Shishara, Saidanath Bose, Subrahmanya Sridhar, Vikram Saraswat, Anup Gulakan, Abhishek Chandra.
Countries and capitals.
Country and capital: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Russia, India, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Kuwait, Jordan, Congo, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Hungary, Dominica, Italy, Santo Domingo, Egypt, Cairo, Sydney, Canada, Ottawa, Chile, Santiago, China, Brazil.
Days of the week.
Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Months of the year.